Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. Last week I have mentioned that the price could return back down, testing the previous resistance zone as a support zone, and some of the weeks could reach lower levels at this demand zone where we could expect a bullish price action signal which will indicate the further move up. We can see what has happened this week. On Monday the price has moved down strongly, where the price did not react on the previous resistance, which now should act as a support, and reached a lower level of the previous price range, where I have mentioned that the price could make some kind of bullish price action signal. But this strong bearish candle has broke down here and stopped right on the demand zone. On Tuesday we have a decision candle which has tested the previous uptrend channel support, which now is acting as a resistance, and below it has touched and tested the demand zone, which is the area where the bulls are pushing the price higher. On next day, on Wednesday, the price has stayed on the upper side and it has again reached this uptrend resistance line, and the price could not broke below this level, which was touched on a Tuesday. So this was small indication that there is a demand zone where the bulls are pushing the price higher, but it's also two small candles which were almost like indecision candle, suggested that there is still a pressure from the sellers that are pushing the price down and not allowing the bulls to return back up. So there is no bullish price action signal pattern that could indicate the price could return back up. So what was mentioned in the previous analysis, half of the analysis was mentioned that the price could reach lower levels with the wicks around this level and then return back down. This has not happened. The price returned back down, but the selling pressure from the upper side was too strong and the bullish demand zone, bullish pressure to push the price higher, was not strong enough to return the price back up. We have also a small uptrend channel here where the price was, and this was tested on Tuesday and Wednesday, which was also a small signal that the price will not return back up. But on Thursday we can see the price has continued moving down, breaking below previous support zone and reaching a lower level. We can see it here also, where the price has stopped in the previous attempts to go up or down, and this was the area where the price has found some kind of demand zone. But this small demand zone did not last too long. We can see that the price on a Friday has continued to move down, and currently it is at 1.00348. We can see that also here we do not have any support level, any demand zone currently at this level, so we can expect the price will continue to move down, reaching the parity for the EURUSD. On the next week we could also expect the price will have some kind of reaction at around this demand zone where the price has touched in the previous attempt to move down, so we could expect the price to stall a little bit. There could be also small retrace back up, reaching this level here. So this means if the price reaches this level around here, which was also here the demand zone, we could expect the price to return back up around here and then finding again a resistance, the supply zone, that will push the price lower down. So the next target is the price will continue to move down, reaching the parity, then bouncing a little back up, making a retrace, and then returning down, reaching 0.99134, which was also the previous long-term target that was mentioned in the previous analysis. Have in mind that when the price reaches this level, this demand zone, and if the price returns back up, making a retrace, be sure to find bearish price action signal which will indicate the price return back down. So you should avoid trading until there is a clear bearish price action signal, because the price could return back up here, reaching the previous demand zone, which will now act as a supply zone that will push the price down, and maybe here there will be clean bearish price action signal that will indicate the price has exhausted from moving up, the bullish pressure has been exhausted, and we could see a selling pressure continue to push the price on the lower levels. If we move the current downtrend channel resistance line, which is here, we could see also that this area here will be a confluence of a strong selling pressure, a strong resistance zone that will prevent the price from moving higher. Have in mind, when the price has moved up to the upside, this is the level where the price first had some kind of issues reaching higher levels. So this will mean in the future, when the price returns back up, it will have a problem here to reach higher levels, which will mean this is the supply zone where the price will have a problem to move up. You can see also in the previous, when the price was moving down, this was also a level where the price had the problem moving up. This was also a selling pressure zone where the price could not break up, and also currently, when the price has bottomed here to this support zone, the price could not go higher from this level. So this is a supply zone right now that is preventing the price from moving to the upper side on the higher levels. So stay tuned for the next analysis and pay attention to the also lower time frames like 4-hour time frame, where you could find a clean price action signal that will indicate the price will move down if the price make a retrace back here. If the price reaches this level, 0.99134, in the next week, you could expect the price will return back up, will bounce up to the upper side, reaching this level here. So this means from this level to this level here, which is also a small supply zone that was preventing in the past the price to reach higher levels. So it will also make a problem for the price to reach again higher levels. This is also visible here now on a Tuesday, on a Friday, that the price had a small problem reaching lower levels. And also on a higher level here on a Friday. So this is a small supply zone that will push the price down. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.